Hey beauties, it's Daisy here. Welcome to my channel. Today we have this loose wave closure wig from Allove hair, and I'm going to show you exactly how I got this look, so make sure you stay tuned. Here is the wig before I wash it and everything. It's been about 2 months since I got it, and all it needs is some TLC. It's looking a little dried out, but it just needs some moisture. I just washed it, conditioned it, and let it sit here. And as you can see, the luster is coming back to the hair. It's all nice and shiny, and this closure looks so good and natural. So what I'm gonna do now is just show you guys how the hair looks after it's been dried a little bit. It still is a little bit wet in the back, but it's okay because I want to get the curl pattern exactly how I want it. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. Now to install this wig, I'm using my favorite Gots to Be Glued. If you're not new to my channel, you know this is my baby. And I'm just gonna lay this wig and, use the blow dryer on a cool settings for about 30 seconds to a minute to let it lay and get these baby hairs right. So just stay tuned and you're gonna see how this look comes together. Now that the wig is laid, I'm just gonna use my mixture of conditioner and water and just drench the entire wig till it's like super wet. And that's gonna help to make sure that the curls pop and everything just looks flawless. Now I'm just covering up some of those over bleached hairs that I have in the front. And if you can notice in the back, the tracks were like really spread out, so you can see spacings in between the hair back there. But don't worry, once the hair is dry, you can't see any of the tracks. You don't have to worry about that. So here is the final look, y'all. I love the curl pattern, which is amazing. These are air dried curls. The ends look good as well. It's nice and soft and fluffy. Closure looks bomb. It looks super natural. I love this wig. It doesn't have a lot of density, but it looks really full. You don't have any problems with shedding or tangling, so this is the wig to get. I had this wig for about 2 to 3 months now, and it still looks bomb. So Allove hair is definitely official. You want to check them out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please show your girl some support. Please give your girl a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Till my next video, peace.